chicken, mac and cheese. Oh, this is not good. And collards, you can't see. Anyways, can't really see it. Show it to you like this. It kind of gave me the bottom of the barrel collards. But it usually tastes really good. It's good. We're having a luncheon at work today. I don't want to be hungry. Waiting on them to feed me. So I'm going to go ahead and eat before I go in. And then I'll be able to wait for lunch. Collards. Good. I should have asked for the next bag because these were at the bottom. You just tip that whole bowl to the side and give me all them. Got a little mac and cheese on there. The baked chicken. It's so tender. It's right off the bone. That's the most I can do with it, you guys. I'm almost done with these. I'm mad. I wish I would have asked her to. Look at that cheese. I'm in a park in Atlanta. It's pretty busy out here today. A lot of adults chilling in their car, having lunch probably, like me. It's like 1:50 in the afternoon. I have to be at work at 3, so I'm right down the street from work. I'm just chilling for a while. Do you like to leave for work early and chill? Or do you just rush from home straight to work? I don't like to do that. I need some time to be out of the house to, get some of the sunshine, because I work 3 to 11:30 in the afternoon tonight. So, I need some daytime to kick it. Can't just be all work and no play. So I get up early and get out. Try to do stuff. You guys, the food is not very all the way hot, so I need salt. Heat makes food taste better to me. The only way I can eat lukewarm food as well. A lot of salt on it for some reason. I prefer hot food with little salt. Mm. Oh, so creamy and good. I mean, it's not that creamy, it's cheesy. It's good. Flat part of the wing. It was a full wing. A lot of herbs on here. As you can see, they're all on our teeth. Wait. Mm. Shoot. Mm. 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 Oh, really good. Mm. 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 Oh God, that crust on top is super good. Mm. The cheese is just cooked a little bit more. Y'all, look at that color on that chicken breast. It looks so good. And it's just seasoned so nicely. I like that. Mm. It's a little tough. Not as tender as the wing was. I should have got one that was turned over a little bit more into the oil. Let's see. Mm. Mm. That's good. It's tender. It's not all the way dry. It's pretty dry. Okay. It's only one something, Kroger. Why is your chicken already dry? To be honest with you, my chicken probably been ready since like 10 something this morning. It's my water, y'all. It's in my fake Yeti that I got from Walmart. Forgot the name of it. Skin. Yummy. Flavor is just so good. eat chicken with a fork, or do you pick up your chicken and bite it? I notice some people bite into chicken. Like I bite into the breast and the leg. I don't normally bite into a chicken breast. It's weird. I don't eat it with a knife, but I do break it apart with a fork. I'm full. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's like 1:57. Lunch is at 7:45 tonight. So, it's gotta hold me. I'm full. This is like a Sunday dinner. I only ate like half of that chicken. Show you. I still got a bunch of chicken left. So, and I still got a piece of bread that they gave me, like one Hawaiian roll. So I'll probably wrap up this piece of chicken and munch on it at about 5 o'clock. I'll have my break. Oh, that cheese, y'all, on that mac and cheese is so good. Look at my greasy ham. That was good, Kroger. Thank you. It costs $5.99. 2 pieces, 2 sides. If you like dark meat, I think it's cheaper. I got all white. There's my bun, my Hawaiian roll. I'm gonna leave it wrapped up. Oh, I had hot sauce. I forgot that I had some hot sauce. I'll keep that with it. Put it in my drawer, my desk. Yeah. He's looking crazy. I have an appointment scheduled for my next deep cleaning. Well, it's not a deep cleaning again, but it's regular, more than the person with healthy gums would get. Alright, it's exactly 2 o'clock. I gotta meditate for a while before I go to work. Got chicken goo under my nails. Excuse my dirty nails. Anyways, talk to you later.